Karthik special. This was during marathon in Mumbai when I was actually मैं college में था तब और college से मैं मतलब ऐसे I was still trying and auditioning but I was really raw and I didn't know anything about the industry. मैराथन में मुझे ये दिख गई थी. मैंने इनको बोला था प्लीज शाहरुख सर को हाय बोलना. बट या दिस वाज अ मोमेंट. ये सागरिका यहाँ पे आई थिंक शी वाज आल्सो रनिंग ओवर देयर. तो मैं लाइक अ फैन. आई वाज लाइक अरे शी इज फ्रॉम चक दे एंड शी वाज रियली देयर. देन आई टोल्ड हर प्लीज से हाय टू शाहरुख सर फ्रॉम माय साइड. This is my mom and me dancing. There was an event where all the cancer survivors were there, and so amongst them, my mom was also there. So it was an emotional moment for me and my mom also. So and they were all dancing. So my mom was also dancing happily over there, and then so yeah, totally. Yeah, nothing beats this. This is after Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2. I think there was a time during Bhool Bhulaiya's announcement से लेकर यहाँ तक की जर्नी बहुत ही down हिली जा रही थी. And nobody expected that this film would do the numbers, the kind of numbers or craze that it did. And yeah, this is one of the few sequels that worked in recent times. Because a lot of sequels are made but they don't work. So it's a very big myth that अरे sequel इसलिए बना रहे नहीं. Sequels they don't usually work. It's a sequel curse. So I believe that it broke that this film broke that curse. And गेटी के इस पे हाउसफुल लगना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. And yeah, this film did that for me. I feel really connected and special when it comes to my fans. And I feel like meeting them. I feel like talking to them, and that is what happens whenever I encounter them during my promotions or just while roaming around the city. I think जब भी मुझे कोई ऐसे मिलता है, फोटो खिंचाता है, मुझे अभी भी अच्छा लगता है. मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि अरे यार he or she should have that moment जहाँ पे उनको अगर इससे खुशी मिल रही है, so they should get that. So I feel responsible for sometimes anything that I'm doing also. So it shouldn't affect them in a manner where So it becomes your duty also. उस दिन यहाँ पे interview में भी there was this girl who cutely gave me this name tag. एक था मेरा अभी 3 दिन पहले ही था वो. सो वो कार्तिक आर्यन नाम लिखा था. तो उसने 2 साल पहले एक अवार्ड शो में मेरी टेबल पे वो मेरा नेम टैग था. वो वहाँ पे थी, वहाँ से उसने वो उठा लिया था. और वो अभी परसों लेकर आई थे इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे कि दिस आई केप्ट इट विथ मी, कैन यू साइन इट फॉर मी. एंड दैट वाज रियली नाइस एंड स्वीट एंड सिंपल. इट्स द पोस्टर शॉट ऑफ तंदू चैंपियन. इट्स कार्तिक 200.0. It's a new Karthik, new me. I never expected myself to look this way or look like this. It was unbelievable when we took the shot also, or while I was performing this sequence. It's a shot from the movie. It's not a क्या होता है वो फोटोग्राफ अलग से ली नहीं थी. ये वहीं का शॉट है while I was in the boxing ring. So and I knew it that ये पोस्टर में जाने वाला है. This is that kind of a shot. 100% ओरिजिनल. अभी इसके तो वीडियोस भी आ गए. सो इनफैक्ट अभी तो ये हो रहा था कि मेरा बिफोर एंड आफ्टर आ रहा था. तो बिफोर का लोगों को लग रहा था, पहले आफ्टर का बोलते थे, अभी बिफोर का बोल रहे थे कि ये कैसे पॉसिबल है, ये इतना इसका फैट परसेंटेज ऐसा था क्या. बट अगेन इट्स बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग इन दोज टाइम जहाँ पे हर चीज़ में यकीन होना मुश्किल हो जाता है. दैट्स वाई we had all the preps were recorded and stuff like that. So we were careful of the fact that people should feel that what they are seeing is everything is real. I think जब मेरे सोनू के पहले I think उसके पहले मेरे पास इतने ऑफर्स नहीं थे और मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं भी कर रहा था बिकॉज वो मुझे लग रहा था कि सही नहीं है करियर, कहीं वैसे ही नहीं जा रहा है. ये भी कर लूँगा तो और ही नीचे उस पोजीशन में चला जाऊँगा जहाँ मेरे पास कोई भी फिल्म ऑफर आने बंद हो जाएंगे. सो उस टाइम मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ पावर एंड सेल्फ बिलीव टू से नो टू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ व्हेन देयर वाज मनी क्रंच, देयर वाज टाइम क्रंच, एंड आई डिडंट हैव perfect plan in terms of कि अच्छा ये आगे मैं ये करने वाला हूँ या ये होने वाला है या मेरी ये फिल्म अगली हिट होने वाली है. मेरे पास कुछ था नहीं सोनू के पहले. So वो जब फेस चल रहा था, I think that was the time when I felt that yeah, this is really the lowest, kind of a lowest phase in my career. Yeah, ये मेरा fat gain. It was that time. It was a couple of years back when yeah, my the talks around me were of some other sense, but I chose Freddy because it was exciting. It felt really exciting and interesting for me to play a role like Freddy. And I wanted to play an edgy role, and this was that edgy role, and it got lots and lots of love also. I think it was all worth it, but I got used to the idea of eating a lot, and this I had gained around 16 to 18 kgs for this film. So my fat percentage must have gone to 41, 42% or 40%, I don't know. At that time I wasn't checking it, but when I checked it right after Freddy, we were starting the prep of Chandu Champion. So during the prep, we recorded the fat percent. It came to 39% at that time. So it was all because of this Freddy's weight gain, that I had so much fat in my body at that time. Yeah, I liked the idea. I liked there was this gut feeling that said that this needs to be told, this story needs to be told, and yeah, I went ahead with it. And Satyaprem Kikatha did wonderfully well. So I'm really happy that it worked, and a lot of people got touched through this story. I'm glad this character came my way. This is a poster, so I'll explain it to whoever saw this photo. Basically, this photograph was taken when I had gone for the trailer launch of Chandu Champion to my hometown Gwalior, and so yeah, it was a massive poster which was put up at the stadium, and the turnout was again awesome. It was so many thousands of people were there, and they were just chanting my name or the film's name, and it was just an emotional moment for me to see so many people out there. It was really hot at that time over there. There was a cricket match which was going on at the same time. The match was supposed to start, a big cricket match, IPL match, and we were thinking that whether a lot of people would turn out. I was going through my own personal stuff in life, and but I couldn't. I couldn't cancel this launch and this Chandu Champion thing. But a lot of people were involved in this film. So I personally took a call, and my family took a call that just keep work and just don't deviate from work at this time. And my dad came along, and I needed him at that time. So he was there. He got emotional at that moment also when he saw so many people and in his hometown. Yeah, this is Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3, Tripti and me. I think there's no secret sauce. It's just out there working hard towards your dream. That's it. Even when there's no even playground, you still have to take it with a pinch of salt and work hard towards your dream. The way she does her scenes, it's with utmost ease, and it comes out so naturally. And the most difficult scenes also, if you you see her performing, it's very unreal. I mean, it's very matter of fact, and she does it with just aaram se. So that is something which I really found. I found it fascinating. And it's with a lot of actors who know their craft well. So lovely. So this is Kabir sir, of course, and me. Watching him watch me. I think this was during the swimming portion when we were shooting for it. I was actually unwell. I had 102 or some really bad temperature and on high fever, but I was on medication, and we had no option but to shoot in the cold water in a swimming pool. So I was not recovering because of the fact that I was swimming for 8 hours in cold water. So this was that moment, one of those moments when we got one really cool shot of swimming. I think while swimming, I had to look at my opponent or at some particular position and we got that shot. So it was a beautiful shot. So once you see the film, you'll realize.